Hello world, my name is Jay and I live in the UK, and today we will be playing Railroads Online. This is my first ever full length video, and yes, this is a headset mic, so please bear with me. Today we will be taking 24 cars of logs from the logging camp up to the sawmill. We already have a train waiting there that's waiting for the logs to come in. So, and then this will be the first leading up to a series of episodes where we hopefully get this game running and hopefully get the larger engines and that kind of thing. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, I've been playing Railroads Online since it first came out, since when you had to click round the corners for splines and put your foundations down separately. Anyone who was there at the time will know the pain of that. Thankfully with the spline system we don't have to do that anymore. Speaking of don't have to do that anymore, I mean now we can load from the train. So knowing what we're doing, it's only a fairly short run, so I'll get loading. The train is fueled up, ready to go. We will start loading, and again thank you to the developers for allowing us to load straight from the train and not have to run backwards and forwards. I will skip through this part for you guys, but I've left a timer in the top corner. I've kind of tried to make it hide a little bit, but there's a timer in the top corner, so it gives you guys an idea, if you're playing this game yourself, of about how long it'll take to do each section that I do. So this is a fairly short train. We can be quite rough with it and just throw the brakes on. So as I say, 24 cars. I will load this lot up and I will get back to you once it's loaded. Right, there we are, there's the last cars being loaded now. We'll just check that we are lined through to the sawmill. Which we certainly appear to be to there. And then we're in there and in there, so we'll be drawing up in the sawmill. So, because we got 24 loaded cars, we're just going to be a little gentle pulling off around this corner. Enjoy the view a little bit. She's pulling off slowly. We're on realistic settings, so the train does have the weight. But on this Mesa Plains map, pre-laid map by the way, whoever laid the map, props to you, it's a fantastic map. Yeah, on this map everything's very flat, so you can pull very large cars, which we will be doing in the future. We will be pulling very large cars, so as we start to get the cars past 90 degrees, we'll start to pull a little bit harder. And there we go, there's full throttle. So right, so obviously I am on a headset mic, so for the journey I'll just let you enjoy the scenery. So here we go. Small view from the back. You can see it's a fairly long train. Beautiful scenery on this map. Again, props to the devs. Did a good job. Loving it. Look back, check that we've still got all our cars, we've still got our caboose on the end, so beautiful view. I'm running this game at 2K on my rig at home, so this is all recorded in 440p. This video is mainly as a test, so it's to emulate the first little video I ever did with not knowing what any of my settings should be or anything like that. So this is kind of a remake of that first video. If you want to go and see that first video, I've still got it listed on my channel. Hopefully you can see that my recording and stuff has improved. If you have any comments, suggestions, whatever, put it down there. You know how things go. So again, lovely little touches by the map maker. Little water towers everywhere, villages everywhere, little offshoots for storing cars. It's, again, whoever made this map, props to you. Maybe you know the guy's name, write it in the comments down below. Nice view again. As we come around this final corner, we'll be coming into the sawmill, so we'll start to slow down, but we want the back of the train at the sawmill, not the front. so that when I unload I can push backwards and not through empty cars. So we will be stopping quite long on this one. We have another train waiting. That one there's 39 cars. That's the one that this train will be filling up. So that will be the next episode, is running that train. And that one grows into being a really big train, so keep your eyes open for that. Keep scheduled, like, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. Right, so as we pull into the sawmill here, I'm just going to drop the reg off. When running full cars, it's a good idea not to just go to 0 power from full. It's a good idea to let the cars settle a little. And then we will just coast and enjoy the view. So as I say, it's the rear cars that I want lined up with the drop off. So we'll just pop to the back and then we will use the brake from here so that we can line everything up correctly. Right, so apply a little bit of brake, let the cars all concertina together. There's a train waiting to be filled. A few logs still in the pool, but that's okay, we're going to need these in a minute. Right, so full brake, stop the truck and see where the front end got to. That's about right. So it stops at about the right place. So there we go, we'll leave ourselves with a beautiful view. If you have watched this, thank you very much for watching. Please appreciate it. It is my first ever video, so probably forgotten to do a lot of things, say a lot of things, that kind of stuff. Suggestions, comments, whatever you want. If you keep with the series, we'll be doing a lot more. This is a relatively small train at 24 carriages. We will be running much larger ones. So, and multiple units, that kind of thing. So stick with the channel, and yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. So thank you very much for your time, and I will see you next time. Cheers and bye.